Hello students, welcome to Syed Sunehra classroom. This is example 1 from the textbook. And now I'll tell you. Let's first understand the question. Consider the number 4 power n where n is a natural number. This is not 4n, this is 4 power n. Okay? N is a natural number. Natural numbers means it will start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 power n ends with the digit 0. Okay. Now, here it asks the question ends with the 0. If a number ends with 0, it should divide by 5, right? What is the condition for if a number is divided by 5, then what is the condition? The condition is the n number should be 0 or 5. Then it will be divisible by 5, right? Here it was asking about 0 only. Now let's take 4 power n. By using the prime factorization, how we can write this 4 power n? 2 into 2 whole power n, right? Which is 2 into 2 power n. Now check. So we can write this. Here 4 power n is equals to 2 into 2 whole power n. If the fundamental theorem is right, then if a number is divisible by 5, then only we will get here the n should be 0, right? So if we get 5 in this numbers, then only we will get 0. There is a chance we will get a 0. But here we have only 2. There is no number 5. So that is the reason it is not 4 power n is not have any number ends with 0. Any number ends with 0. I'll tell you simple example. If you have any such case, like for example whatever it may be, if you are 4 power n, right? Here the case is 4 power n. Just try to divide this number 2 into 2 and look at the condition, if the condition is satisfying or not. Here the condition is the ends with 0, which means it should divided by 5. Do you have 5 in these numbers? No, right? Then it is not possible. If you have, like for example 10 power n, it will be written as 2 into 5. So here 5 is there, so it is possible. So here for 4 power n it is not possible. I hope you understand this question. This is Sunehra signing off.